Hey guys, what's up? It's me, and today, well, I'm back with another Lightning Bliss magic lesson. This was just uploaded today. Ventriloquism and magic words. Veterinary invented. I don't know the word. I don't know this word. Ventriloquism. I'm gonna say vent and magic words. And magis words. In other words, meaning I guess this is gonna be focusing on. So I guess we're gonna be focusing on. I guess we're gonna meet Jasper Pie's brother again.
What's the barilla secret to perfect pasta? A custom blend of grains that cooks perfectly al dente every time.
And yes, I watched this beforehand, but this won't be a rewatch.
Before the video begins, a friendly reminder to go to lightningbliss.site/shop to purchase a wide variety of Lightning Bliss brand products to help support her work and future videos. And now, on with the show.
Why does it have one? Why are those one cheap? It's at 140 and
Establishing shots.
God! Who said that? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? I could have sworn I heard someone. Oh well. Uncle Jasper! Uncle Jasper? Are you in here? Huh? A note? Gone to escape room with Thespio, Midnight, and Harmony. Be back whenever. Oh, dang it! I wanted to ask him about doing another magic lesson. I even cleared out my work schedule for today. Me! Clearing out my work schedule! Without Doc telling me to! Now what am I supposed to do for the rest of the day? Hello?
I'm behind the counter.
Say what now? I don't want to ride the goose, Mommy. He tried to steal my go-gurt.
What's he saying? Stars instead of go-gurts?
I'd have a bit. Anyways, hey there, Nisi Blissy. It's your favoriteest uncle ever, Casper Cake.
Dang it, Casper! We told you about 1,000,000 times! This is Jasper's place, not yours!
Ha! Ain't that just like my favoriteest Blissy Boo? Hey, Goofio?
Them's good times, Mr. Casper.
I don't even know what I'm looking at with this one.
Don't you sass me, sassafras! Y'all ain't too big to go over my knee!
You don't have knees!
Hey now, you little so-and-so. That's no way to sass back to your favorite uncles, sisters.
You're not even my uncles! You're not even supposed to be real! You're just some evil doppelganger accidentally created by Featherblight!
See Casper's anticlimactic origin in the Rumble on the Rails comic. Available in the description below. Cross-promotion, yeah!
Okay, seriously, did no one else hear that?
What a great question, Blissy. Anyways, I hear tell that you were screaming for Jasper, who is me, about another magic lesson?
Casper!
Well, kind of, but...
Well, I got literally nothing to do today, so how's about I teach you a thing or 12 about the magic of magic? Yeah? Magic and magic? Me? Teach? Yes? Now? Right now? Please do that?
You want to teach me something about magic.
He's mad.
What could you possibly know about magic? Only only thing I've ever seen you do is annoy everyone and talk to that stupid hook puppet.
Yeah, turns out he doesn't like being called the P word, turns out. Anyway, just let me blissynap you, and I can show you what kind of magic stuff I can teach you, Dulets.
Well, let me think. No! After what you did to Uncle Jasper, every chance you get, in your dreams, I would never work with someone like you. You've done nothing to warrant my trust or friendship in the slightest. When Uncle Jasper finds out what you're doing, he will...
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention, so I'm just gonna assume you said yes. Oh, yeah!
I got a proof! Bad magic! Bad magic! Juggle! Sword! Help! Juggle? Sword!
Yeah, where are those two?
Juggle! Why are they never around when I need them to be?
Perhaps a meanwhile will answer your question.
Oh, hey! Look at that! We're tied to a tree. Son of a... So, any idea how we ended up here?
How do you think we ended up here? Haven't you seen, like, any movie ever?
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm never gonna hear the end of this.
Soon at Lightning Bliss's channel, Scenery.
There it is again! There it is again!
Oh, that'll leave a mark.
I do not appreciate being pony napped, even if it was in my own channel. Just get out!
I hear what you're saying, but I'm gonna ignore you and follow my own poorly planned agenda solely because I'm evil. No? And might I add, yeah.
I'm not getting out of this, am I?
Nope.
Nope!
You know, I can't just get Twinkie to snap you in half, right?
Oh, don't worry. I took care of him too, I did. Looky-loo!
What? What? How did you even get...
Andy Hoozles, I'm a teacher, Fluffy White Batoissimo, about the magic of... ventriloquism!
Oh, you're doing something, looking for something, but I'm back, so let's continue.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sag nut!
Ventriloquism? Really? You pony napped me just to teach me how to talk through a stupid...
Spontaneousness!
Nothing! I meant nothing at all!
Mm-hmm. That's what a spontaneous thought!
Just hear me out, Jackson. All it takes is a little whiz-bang pop, and you can jump put your voice into anything. Watch as I demonstrate whilst down in this here hot sauce. Learn to throw your voice, fool your friends, fun at parties. Oh yeah!
Not enough breaks. Let's continue on in 3, 2, 1.
Pupio.
Yeah? Why would I do that, White Cub?
Because I thought... You know what? Never mind. How did you do that anyway?
Ah, easy peasy, super speedy, cider squeezy. A little zim zam on the throat hang bomb above, then a little shake on whatever you want to make the word top pop out of, and wombo! Ventrilo magician!
Okay, do you seriously not know what words are? Also, why didn't you drink that hot sauce?
I got no idea. In fact, I'm probably gonna have some kind of intestinal distress later on. Now come on, blissy boo-boo child! Make this here rock do talking stuffs!
Look, Casper, how long are you going to keep this up?
Not sure, actually.
Fine! I'll make the rock talk. Whatever it'll take to make you go away.
Wait, doesn't it mean that?
Hi. I'm a rock. I do rock things. Sediments, rolling, metamorphic, gray?